In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook error 400, which usually indicates a temporary connection or browser issue. We'll start with basic fixes and move to advanced steps for Outlook on the web. First, restart Outlook. Fully close the app so it's not running in the background. On Windows, check the system tray or use Task Manager to end it. On Mac, quit the app completely. Reopen Outlook and try again. A fresh start often clears minor glitches that trigger the error. If restarting Outlook doesn't help, reboot your computer. A restart clears temporary files, resets background services, and restores network components Outlook relies on. Once your system is back up, open Outlook and test it. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to a stable network and that other sites or apps load properly. If pages are slow or timing out, Outlook may also fail. For better stability, move closer to the Wi-Fi router or use a wired Ethernet connection. If issues persist, try a different network, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or use a trusted alternative. Power cycling your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in can also help. If you're using Outlook on the web, clear your browser cache and cookies. Cache data can cause login or loading issues. Open browser settings, clear cookies and cached files, then close and reopen the browser. Sign back into Outlook afterward. Finally, disable browser extensions. Extensions that block scripts, ads, or trackers can interfere with Outlook. Turn off all extensions, refresh Outlook, and see if the error disappears. If it does, re-enable extensions one by one, testing Outlook each time to find the conflicting one. Leave it off or adjust its settings to allow Outlook.by. Following these steps in order: restarting Outlook, rebooting your system, checking connections, clearing browser data, and managing extensions, you should be able to resolve Outlook error 400 and get back to using your inbox smoothly.